Everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And the table topic for today is, let me get it, who has more impact, being beautiful or being kind? Who has more impact, being beautiful or being kind? Who has more impact? I think in today's time, this question doesn't seem relevant to me because there is no doubt that most people would choose that being kind has a more impact than being beautiful, right? And why is that so? Because if you're kind, so before I talk about it right now, let us revisit the definition that uh, we think about the being beautiful and the being kind. So earlier, if you go back to olden times, the being beautiful only meant to, only your physical appearance. Uh, but right now, these days, if you look at all the beauty pageants and all that stuff, they have transformed from being like physically appearance to like what I should say, what they hold inside. So their questions are designed in such a way and they support multiple causes in that way. Earlier, I used to think that these beauty pageants are just the name, they're just choosing, they are setting the wrong standard. But recently, they have transformed themselves to supporting causes and I think they found a meaning in that. So today, if you talk about being beautiful, doesn't mean to a physical appearance. It means a lot more than that. It means how beautiful you are from inside. And the being kind, it has always been the same. Yeah, right? You have a kind heart. You have empathy towards the people. But so we just talked about the definition. So coming back to the why I chose to still the being kind in my opinion, even though the definitions are beautifully is changed, even though I would choose to be kind, being kind has the strongest impact in the society. Why? Because if you look at the world, if you look at the statistics and the facts that more than at around 80% of the people, I don't know the statistic, but most of the people on the earth fall into the poor category. And as they fall into the poor category, they have a lot of things to think about. They are not able to get the education for their uh, children. They are not able to get the best healthcare for themselves and their families. So if you're poor, then lots of doors are shut for you. So in that time, it's very important that we show kindness towards the people. Kind, we show kindness towards needy people. We should empathize people. If we have everything you need, then feel gratitude for it, right? It's if you think about it, you could be born in any place. You could be born in a poor state, in the destroyed state, or anywhere in Syria, or whatever, maybe. But you were born here, so it was just a lottery when you were born, right? So you should not feel entitled to it. Have gratitude, have kindness towards the people who don't have this, who did not get this lottery. So again, coming back to the point, I feel that being kind has more impact than beautiful, even though the definition of beautiful is being changed in the recent times. Because if you are kind, you can feel the pain of other people. You will be very helpful in nature, and as a society, it's very important that we should be able to lift people. Right? Thank you. Over to you.